This is Hoover Dam. 5:27 p.m. Pacific. Oh shoot, come to think of it, what time zone are we in? Well, anyway, it's about an hour before sunset. Sunday, March 19th, 2023. So we're about 25 miles to the south of Las Vegas, Nevada. Come to think of it, I think I'm at the Arizona border. Pretty darn close to the Arizona border. Anyway, whatever. Not sure that contraption is down there. Check it out, there's like all sorts of tunnels on the side of the mountain there. I'm far more interested in the tunnels than the dam. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do any of the tours today though. I know they're open pretty late, but I don't know how late they run the tours. That's Lake Mead behind the dam. MEAD. What's really cool, down at the lowest level there, they actually have railroad tracks too. Not besides, you know, flat concrete for rubber tired vehicles. I'm assuming those are for cranes. Interesting. Notice over past the dam, there's other stuff there. I haven't gone through the tour yet, so I don't know what all this stuff is. If it walks like a blob of concrete, talks like a blob of concrete, it's like blob of concrete. It's a technical term. It's a cool little overlook there. I wonder if that's for security or not. Sure seems kind of sketchy the way it's sticking out like that. Hopefully they know what they're doing. It's a nice parking garage there. I don't know if that's for employees or what. I heard rumor there's like 2 parking lots. One you have to pay for and one that's free. Hopefully I can find the one that's free. Oh. Cool, there's little stairwells on the little roof at the top there. I wonder if the tour takes us out there. I haven't done any of the tours yet, so I don't even know where it's going to take us, where it's not going to take us.